Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete all emails before a certain date in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. In the search bar, type before, add a colon, and then enter the date. For example, if you want to delete all emails before this date, just type it like this, then press enter. Since this is a new account, I don't have matching emails to show. When you search using a date, all emails before that date will be displayed here. At the top left of the email list, click the checkbox to select all visible emails. You will see an option allowing you to select all conversations that match the search. Click this option to select all matching emails. Next, click on the trash icon to delete the selected emails. Confirm the deletion when prompted. The emails will be moved to trash. They will be permanently deleted after 30 days unless you empty the trash manually. And that's it. We just learned how to delete all emails before a specific date in Gmail using search operators and bulk selection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.